Dell Precision 3591 Mobile Workstation. Honest proof portable power is real. There is a specific kind of frustration that builds when your laptop cannot keep up with your thinking. You open a render, the fan screams, the timeline stutters, and suddenly the tool meant to support your work becomes the obstacle. It just stops. A friend of mine missed a client deadline because her old laptop froze mid-export at the worst possible moment. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if your current machine has ever let you down at exactly the wrong time. That frustration compounds quietly. Every slow rebuild, every dropped frame, every moment spent waiting instead of creating chips away at your focus and your confidence. Mental drain is real. One engineer told me he spent more time managing his laptop's limitations than actually designing anything. There had to be a better way. Somewhere between underpowered consumer laptops and desk-bound towers, a smarter option existed. This feeling is fixable. Don't just buy any mobile workstation. Make sure it has a dedicated RTX GPU with a 16-core processor so you never suffer through stuttering renders, frozen timelines, or sluggish CAD assemblies again. That is exactly what the Dell Precision 3591 Mobile Workstation delivers, and finding it felt almost accidental. The Intel Core Ultra 7V Pro with 16 cores handles complex multitasking without throttling. The NVIDIA RTX 1000 Ada generation GPU accelerates renders, video exports, and AI workflows with real headroom. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM keeps large assemblies and 4K timelines responsive. The 512 gigabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD loads projects fast enough that you stop noticing the load time entirely. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports mean you can dock to dual monitors and charge simultaneously. One verified buyer said it handled 3D CAD all day and still had battery left for the commute home. Another said it replaced a 17-inch workstation without sacrificing anything meaningful, except the back pain. The bonus insight most people overlook: the RAM is expandable to 128 gigabytes, so this machine grows with your ambitions without needing replacement. Useful detail to know before you decide. After living with the Dell Precision 3591 Mobile Workstation for a few weeks, the biggest shift is not the specs. It is the silence. No fans screaming on a Teams call. No hesitation opening a large assembly. A workstation reviewer scored it 87 out of 100 and specifically praised the upgradability, calling the 2 open RAM and SSD slots a standout feature rarely seen at this tier. A CAD professional with years on a 17-inch Precision said the weight reduction alone changed how often he actually brought his laptop to client sites. One verified buyer wrote that performance exceeded expectations entirely, especially for 3D rendering and calculations. An AI developer noted the 32 gigabytes of DDR5 paired with the RTX GPU gave enough headroom for local model testing without freezing the system. What keeps people coming back is the combination of portability at 1.5 kilograms and performance that does not apologize for the compact size. Here is the honest limitation worth knowing. Under sustained heavy GPU loads, the fan becomes audible. That is real. But for the workflow most professionals actually run daily, it stays composed. Is the thing holding your work back right now your laptop or your workflow? Which upgrade would matter more to you today? The Precision 3591 makes that question easier to answer. The Dell Precision 3591 Mobile Workstation quietly solves the problem most professionals have accepted as normal: carrying a machine that works against you instead of with you. Thousands of engineers, editors, and data scientists are already using it as their daily driver without looking back. Demand for this configuration shifts regularly, and stock on specific builds does not always stay consistent. Results will naturally vary depending on your workload and setup. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Take a look when you are ready. You already know if this is the machine you have been waiting for.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.